are in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, on board Naval Support Activity Mechanicsburg. We're at the Industrial Plant Equipment Services Division plant, part of DLA Aviation, which is under Defense Logistics Agency. Our primary mission is to rebuild, retrofit, overhaul, repair, dispose of industrial plant equipment. We are in fact the only entity within the federal government that does this job for government entities.
Our primary focus is to support the warfighter. My primary job is to work with the customer and customer relations and take their request, their requirement for machine rebuilds or repairs.
I work at the Norfolk Naval Shipyard, and the mission is we pretty much repair any type of ship that would have a reactor on it. We use DLA Mechanicsburg to overhaul any of our industrial plant equipment. They also provide support on rebuilds, repairs.
By working through us with funding is also a major benefit because there's not a large contract needed to rebuild some of these big machines. Contracts I've seen take 3-4 years where we can get the funding if they have it in place and get started on their projects basically immediately.
They rebuilt 3 machines for us, and we are up here to witness the runoff of the machine. So we're just up here to verify that with them before they bring them back down and install them within the next few weeks.
It is a brand new machine when you get it back. It's a machine that might have been made in the 60s, 70s, or earlier that goes out of here better than factory. So we're the best at what we do. We care, we are part of the organization that supports the warfighter, and we want to make sure that they have the best equipment out there.
We're one team, one fight with DLA because we're all government employees. We're all on Uncle Sam's dime, so we all work together. Anytime I call up here with questions on our equipment, we need some help repairing something with our maintenance group, we can call up here and they'll do everything in their power to get us the resources or information we need in order to fix our own equipment if they can't come down there and help us out.
Give us a shot. We're here to support all federally owned machine tools, and we'll do our best to support that mission for you.
We want to help you. We want to come out and make your machines run good. We want to keep those old machines running and keep you in business and keep the warfighter full of parts.